And I want you to take a pen. Don't write it on computer, don't write it on your phone, don't do anything. Take a pen, don't be so lazy. Take a pen and start writing, okay? And I want you to start writing as the first thing in the morning as soon as you wake up, okay? Because at that time, bro, your brain is still fresh and you still didn't unload all that dog shit from social media, from video games, from porn, from whatever, bro. You didn't unload all that dog shit on your brain, okay? So your brain still has a slightest chance to function as normal brain should, okay? Because your brain is so fried by dopamine that you cannot even imagine, okay? So when you wake up, bro, you take a pen, you take your notebook and you write. You write 3 things that you are grateful for. You can write more than 3, but minimum 3, okay? And right now you took the notebook, you took the pen, and you are thinking, what the fuck should I write, okay? Just look around you and write something. It cannot be something so hard, you know, like you can write something generic, okay? For example, oh yeah, I'm happy for this pen because with this pen I will write my gratitude journal, okay? Always write what you are happy for and then write why you are grateful for that, okay? So I'm happy to have this pen in my hand because with it I will write my gratitude journal, okay? I'm happy to have this, I'm grateful not to have this agenda because with it I will be able to improve my mental health, okay? And then the third thing what you can write is, I don't know, I'm happy that today I can still write something in my gratitude journal because my brain is usually otherwise always thinking about women, about porn, about Mia Khalifa and all that bullshit, okay? So I'm grateful for that, okay? And then when you do that, bro, I want you to do that as soon as possible, okay? Because as soon as when you are on your phone, bro, your brain capacity just drops, okay? That's why you always have to do this in the morning, okay? And then the more experience that you will have about this gratitude journal, okay, the more specific things and the more meaningful things you will start to write, okay? Because right now, for example, I am writing, I don't know, I'm happy that I have a supportive family, you know, because without them I wouldn't be where I am right now, you know. I'm happy that yesterday I went for a little walk so that I could buy this new microphone, because without it I wouldn't be able to record and to teach you everything that I know about self-improvement, you know. I'm happy that I have nice mental health, because without the mental health that is in a proper way, you know, I would start to attract negative things, because you always attract what you think about, you know. You know what I mean? Like, I remember the other day I was writing that I'm grateful that I'm not homeless, because I saw it was freezing cold back in February. I saw one homeless person and I was like, fuck me, imagine that you are right now without a home in -1, 2, 3, I don't know how much it was, but it was extremely cold, especially for Spain, bro. It was extremely cold, you know. And when you will write those 3 things, okay, what I want you to do is that you write 2 more additional things as manifestation, okay? I want that you manifest 2 goals that you want to achieve, but write them in that way as if you already have achieved them. You know what I mean? With that, I mean, for example, like this. So, you are a young man, okay? You want to have sex, but you don't have sex because you are still a bit of a loser, okay? So, I want you to take a pen and I want you to write in the gratitude journal, I'm grateful that until the end of year 2024, I will get laid, okay? So you want to have sex, but you write it in that way as if you already had it, you know? Yeah, I'm grateful that I fucked that girl, you know? Or for example, I'm grateful that I will have, I don't know, 5,000 euros invested on the stock market until the end of 2024, okay? And the most important thing, bro, about manifestation is that you don't say that to anyone. You don't say what you manifest, because otherwise those people will jinx it. Because people are fucking mean, especially when it comes to success. People are like snakes, you know. They are not like me, bro. I'm encouraging you to be successful. But others will not do that, you know. And speaking of that, bro, please go check the project that I'm doing right now, first link below, and give me a feedback. Thank you very much, okay? So this is basically all that you have to do about gratitude journal, okay? And additional step that I want you to do, bro, is on your first page of your journal, you know, you will have a little note, okay? Right now here. And I've wrote here, read that when you want to do the following, okay? So I've wrote here, read that when you want to do, for example, some bad habit, okay? For example, for you, it would be maybe watch porn, okay? So read that when you watch porn, because you will feel empty, you will lose relationship, you will not get girlfriend, you will be tired, you will feel like a loser and all that shit, okay? So for here, I wrote I should read all of that when, for example, I want to go back into my old self, you know, which means video games, partying and being lazy, okay? So that's basically it, you know. Gratitude journal, bro, is extremely helpful for your mental health, and I've noticed that it helped me quite a lot to achieve whatever I achieved, you know. And do it, bro, do it. It's not gay, and if people laugh at you, if they are not better than you, then who gives a fuck about them, you know? If successful people would laugh at you, then it would be a problem. But so far, I haven't met anyone who would laugh at me for saying that I'm gratitude journaling, you know? If people laugh at you for that, bro, they are losers, and you should just, as we said in the previous video, you should just do the snip snip, bro, you know what I'm saying? Nah, with that being said, bro, do the hard work, and we see each other on the top of the world, champion.